Welcome to TechQuest channel. This is for the Tech by Your Tech. In today's video, we are going to discuss about immunochromatography assay. It's also called lateral flow test. These are simple test devices intended to detect the presence of target substances in a liquid without need for specialized or costly equipments. Samples: milk, whole blood, serum, saliva, urine, tissue sample, food, drink, animal feed, plant material, water, or fuel can be used as a sample. The test can confirm the presence or absence of a target analyte such as pathogens or biomarkers in humans or animals or contaminants in water supplies, foodstuff. The most commonly known rapid test is the pregnancy test. The principle of the test: a liquid sample or extract containing the analyte of interest moves without assistance of external forces by capillary action through the various zones of polymeric strips. A typical lateral flow test strip consists of overlapping membranes that are mounted on a backing card for better stability and handling. The sample is applied at one end of the strip on the absorbent sample pad that is impregnated with buffer salt and surfactants that make the sample suitable for interaction with the detection system. The treated sample migrates through the conjugate release pad that contains antibodies that are specific to the target analyte and are conjugated to colored or fluorescent particles. Most commonly, colloidal gold or latex microspheres are used. The sample, together with the conjugated antibody bound to the target analyte, migrates along the strip into the detection zone. This is a porous nitrocellulose membrane with specific antigen or antibody immobilized in lines. They react with the analyte from the sample bound to the conjugate antibody. Recognition of the sample analyte results in an appropriate response on the test line. The proper flow through the strip is indicated by control line. Direct and competitive methods are used. A direct test is used for larger analytes such as P24 antigen in HIV test, as well as analytes with multiple antigenic sites such as HCG used in pregnancy test. HCG is an example of sandwich-based analysis. The target is immobilized between two complementary antibodies. In the direct test, the presence of the test line indicates a positive result, and the control line contains species-specific anti-immunoglobulin antibodies specific for the antibody in the particular conjugate. Competitive method: samples with small molecules with single antigenic determinants that cannot bind to two antibodies simultaneously. Competitive method is used. The analyte blocks the binding sites on the antibodies on the test line, preventing the interaction with the colored conjugate. Therefore, a positive test is indicated by the lack of signal in the test line, while the control line should be visible. Multiplexed sandwich assay. Both sandwich and competitive assays can be developed to indicate one or more test lines. A multiplexed assay may be used for detecting multiple targets in a single test in a situation having small volume of sample. To diagnose the presence of a number of markers together is required, offering cost-saving benefits in the lab or in the fieldwork setup. Remote or agricultural areas with limited resources, multiplex can save the time. Advantages of this method: one-step assay, no washing steps necessary like ELISA. Fast, low cost, low sample value. It takes 20 to 30 minutes maximum, and few drops of sample is enough for testing. Qualitative or semi-quantitative results can be obtained. Relatively short development time brings application faster to the market. Simple test procedures that can be done anywhere can be used at homes and at point of care setups. Proteins, heptons, nucleic acid can be detected. Individual tests can be used for screening purpose. Long lifespan can be stored at room temperature. No pre-treatment is necessary for sample. What are the disadvantages? One-step assay, so it's less specific and sensitive. Inaccurate sample volume reduces precision. Sample volume is restricted. The test gives limited sensitivity. Good antibody preparation is important for assay. Analysis time depends on viscosity of sample. Obstruction of pores due to matrix component can give a false negative report. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Write your comments.